Good morning guys, in front of me is iPad Air and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper and select add new wallpaper. And now you have to select the one that you want to apply, so you can either create some wallpaper from emojis, you can take some photo of your own, or pick one from default wallpapers, whatever you prefer. I'll go with maybe Pride wallpaper. Then if you like it, tap on OK. Here you can swipe between styles. Just choose the one that you like the most and mark add. And then you can either set it as a wallpaper pair or you can customize your home screen separately, but I'd like to set it on both home and lock screens. And that's it, that would be all. As you can see from now on, this wallpaper is covering both home and lock screen of your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.